Happy Wednesday, Instagram and Facebook. Happy Wednesday. It's 6:56 a.m. Y'all, good morning, great morning. If you're watching this video at a later time, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. I'm bringing cheers. Y'all, happy day, y'all. It's Wednesday, y'all, hump day. We almost through the work week, people. You know that work a 9 to 5, we almost there. We midway through. And this is a beautiful day to have a good day, y'all. It's always a good day when you're alive and able to function, and you don't no one's doing that for you. So that's awesome. That's great, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's what you predict and what you say over yourself, and also the actions. You know what I'm saying? The actions that you're putting over yourself, that's going to allow you to accomplish goals and to, you know, do what you have to do. Kick fear in the butt. You know what I'm saying? If you're a person that's operating in fear, or fear trying to creep into your life, you know, you have the power to overcome that. You know, once you speak and believe things, you speak and believe things about yourself. So good day, y'all. Y'all, I'm just on here, y'all. Just want to take in my products with you this morning. Y'all, documenting, journaling my healthy journey as I promised that I would when I first started months ago. I'm just, you know, be holding myself accountable, because sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to be your own accountability coach. Everybody's not all the time is going to cheer you on, you know. So you have to have that going for yourself. You have to have that enthusiasm, that go-getter mentality. You have to do it for yourself, because everybody's not going to always do that. We can't, you know, expect for people to do things for us that we're not even doing for ourselves. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? So we have to do it. So right now, I'm about to intake 20 salads. I'm about to get all of my nutrients and my full coverage for me to be able to operate and function like I need, and my body needs it. You know what I'm saying? Because my body is the one that's driving this vehicle, that's driving me. So I have to take care of it. Y'all, multivitamin. Also, if you're, you know, we're in the pandemic and all that other bad stuff, you know what I'm saying? You should be taking, everybody should be taking a multi-liquid vitamin. And we have the best, because this is all natural. You know, you get all of your vegetables and vitamin, amino acids, things that's going to help, you know, build up your immune system. And this is also great for your digestion system. You know what I'm saying? So this is great from my company, Total Life Changers. You know, we have some dope products, and it's all natural, so I love it. You know what I'm saying? You have to know what you're intaking. I used to be a person that took vitamins from over the counter, and with that, the pill, the one a day, the women's vitamin, the different ones, the gummies, y'all, you only getting 30% when you're taking those things. And then if you know, on release and go to the bathroom, you already let, you know what I'm saying, release the 30%. But with this multi-liquid vitamin hits your bloodstream immediately. And that's what you need. You need that electrifying thing that's going to jumpstart you, that's going to get you going, that's going to electrify your day, your mood, and all that other good stuff. So cheers to the NutriBurst. And if you're my business partner, if you're watching this video, let's toss it up together. Look at God. This is the right song for the right time. Strong finish, strong faith, and that's what it's going to take. It's going to take for you to have a strong faith, strong finish, and to believe that your finish, your ladder is going to be greater than your former. That you will have that strong finish. Y'all love it. So I just took 2 servings. I just ate 20 salads. And y'all, this is a great taste, y'all. And it tastes good, cold, warm. This is my on-the-go package. You know what I'm saying? We have the bottle NutriBurst, but I love it. Y'all can take this when I'm now out riding about, traveling. This fit good in my purse, in my pocket, suitcase, y'all. I love it. I love it, y'all. So just wanted to come on, y'all, to share with you my day and some of the things that I'm doing. Guys, if you have not tried a NutriBurst, you're missing out, y'all. But you don't have to. You can click the link in my bio and get your sample, get your travel size. If you don't want to commit to the bottle, you can get the travel size, y'all. I have this on hand. If you're in my area, I'm willing to meet you and get you hooked up to this, y'all. Once your body starts taking a NutriBurst, you will crave for this, y'all. This is good, y'all. This will give you the energy and the ability to do things that, you know, you probably a person that was feeling sluggish. You know, you just needed that something just to get your day started electrifying, y'all. This NutriBurst, and this also has good benefits for hair, skin, and nails. Men, you can take this too. This is good for men, women, seniors, babies, people of all ages. The NutriBurst don't discriminate, y'all. This is people for all ages. So y'all, if you have not tried, y'all, I'm willing to get this in your hand today, y'all. So y'all, like the song say, have a strong finish, have a strong faith on this Wellness Wednesday, y'all. Y'all, I love you. Y'all be blessed. Click the link in my bio, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.